Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to demonstrate our project based on RFID based attendance system using Arduino. So the attendance system is basically an embedded one. Embedded means the hardware which is controlled by the software. Here the software using microcontroller controls all the hardware components. The microcontroller plays an important role in this system. That is, the Arduino UNO contains the Atmega 328P microcontroller. So the main objective of this system is to uniquely identify and to make the attendance for a person. This requires a unique product which has the capability of distinguishing the different persons. So this is possible by the new emerging technology, that is RFID. So RFID contains different tags which can differentiate different persons as uploaded in the program. So the model looks like this. The components will be explained by my friend Bhagat.
Going to explain you about the components of the system. The brain of the system is Arduino UNO. The microcontroller used here is Atmega 328P. Component is RFID reader. An RFID system consists of tiny radio transponder, the radio receiver and a transmitter. The next component used here is 16x2 LCD display. It consists of 2 rows and each row consists of 16 characters. And the operating voltage of this LCD display is 4.7 to 5.3 volts. And we have used some other components like LED indicators, resistors, potentiometer and buzzers. And the connections are made using breadboard and jumper wires. Finally, use RFID tags for identification. Each RFID tag has its own UID number.
Now coming on to the software part, we have programmed in the software Arduino IDE. This code will be uploaded to the Arduino UNO board. So here we have included 3 libraries: SPI.h, MFRC522.h which is for the RFID reader, liquidcrystal.h which is for 16x2 LCD display, and then we have defined the pin numbers like we have defined the green LED pin, red LED pin, buzzer pin and all. And later in the void setup we have initiated a serial communication, initiated MFRC522 and turn on the backlight and print a message. So also here green LED, red LED and buzzer goes to the output. And in the void loop, before scanning the card, the display will show your ID card. Show your will be displayed in the first row and ID card will be displayed in the second row of the LCD display. And then different tags have different UID numbers. For that numbers we have given a name and a registration number. Once this number card is scanned, the LCD display will show this name with registration number in the first row and present in the second row. At the same time, green LED will be on and buzzer will on. And next, so like that we have added 4 different cards. For different numbers we have given a different name and registration numbers. When the cards or tags which other than these cards are scanned, the display will show unauthorized, and at that time the red LED will glow with the buzzer. So like this the programming will go.
Coming on to the demonstration part, we can see that as my friends explained about the components and the introduction part, this is the RFID based attendance system. The components explained by my friends are arranged in this fashion. We have an Arduino UNO, RFID reader, LCD display, a buzzer, LED indicators, resistors, potentiometer, and the connections are finally made using breadboard and jumper wires. Coming on to the working part, as just now I told that we have given just access to 4 of these UID tags and 3 of these are unauthorized. That is, when we scan the card one on the display, we can see my name and the register number of my class, and the green LED gets on. That is, we have the green LED on and my name with the and my name with the registration number you can see on the LCD. On the other hand, if we scan the other students tags, that is, we can see the green LED gets on and their registration number and their particular names are displayed. On the other hand, if in the code we have not given access to these RFID tags, that is, we have not uploaded the numbers of these UID reader tags. When we scan these cards, the red LED gets on, and on the display the message is displayed as unauthorized access. We can see here. Also here we can observe that there is a long beep. In this way the RFID reader gets read, and finally we can see all these outputs and data on the serial monitor of the Arduino ID, and the data can also be finally transferred to the PLX DAQ Excel sheets. Thank you.
As now my friend explained about the working and demonstration of this project, now I would like to continue with the applications, advantages and conclusions. The applications of this RFID based attendance system is it is used to take the attendance of the students in schools, colleges, universities, etc. And it is also used to take the attendance of the workers in various working places like factories, hospitals, etc. The main unique ability of this RFID based attendance system is to identify a person based on their RFID provided ID card type. Advantages of RFID based attendance system is that we can access data at anywhere at any time when linked to the cloud server. It also can eliminate the problems faced while taking the attendance manually. Finally, we can conclude that the RFID based attendance system is one of the best attendance system to take attendance in various fields and sectors, and the main advantage of this system is to eliminate the human errors faced.
So whatever the project assignment part they have done for the RFID attendance using the Arduino is a very good concept only. So to take the attendance part by using a single ID card with the same ID card can be used for the attendance part also. Again, it has a many advantages because if you are taking with the face recognition or the fingerprint, so in some cases it won't recognize properly. When you are using the RFID, it can be recognized properly and it can be authorized and same. But again, all the products have some advantages and some disadvantages also. So coming to the disadvantage part, if the same ID card is being carried by the other person, so that concept is they have not yet been implemented. So for the next upcoming project purpose, maybe they can implement those and they can improvise with the whatever the microcontroller they are using with the memory. So that is what maybe the product is good, fine.